Boeing upgraded today to a buy at UBS. The price target doubled to 300 from 150. Well, they cite travel restriction relaxation, the MAX getting back in the air as one of the other catalysts as well. Brenda, you own it and you bought it in mid-November, maybe looking to some of these catalysts.
That's right. I mean, we bought it and we started to see what we were calling green shoots sort of developing, where the European Union had approved the 737 MAX. We saw the air traffic was picking up domestically in China and had really recovered. So we started to see the incremental news getting a little bit more positive, or at least not getting any more negative, and felt that that in itself would be a catalyst for the stock. But here we are, and we've just bought the stock 3 weeks ago, and it's up 40% since then. So we've had this phenomenal move. I think at this point, we do need to see some real more progress towards a recovery in order to really propel this stock much further. Although I'll say that this analyst price target is $300. The stock was at $300 earlier this year, pre-COVID. But as we know, Boeing at that time was still facing a lot of problems with the 737 MAX. So it wasn't without issue at that point when it was able to achieve a $300 price point.
Can you, I mean, this makes me think of a lot of different things. Can you help our viewers maybe understand both sort of fundamentally as a portfolio manager and emotionally, a stock up 40% in 3 weeks? How do you deal with that?
It's enormous, but I'll say that, this was a stock that was really down and out for a long time. One of the reasons it gave us confidence in stepping in, which I'll say we have not owned Boeing in the last 10 years. So we have not participated in Boeing in a very long time, but we felt that this is a duopoly. The company is going to be a going concern. It's a very important part of our economy, that business would eventually come back. So that's what gave us the confidence to step in. So I think it was underpriced at that point, but now here we are 40% higher. And yes, I do think that now is when the rubber starts to meet the road, and we do really need to see some fundamental progress in terms of free cash flow really being the major determinant of that. So we need to see that free cash flow is improving, and we need to see, more visibility into what next year and the following year are going to bring in terms of restocking their backlog.
Yeah, interesting and great timing on your part for certain.